everyone, Amanda here with Moses Image Card Company. Today we are doing the Spellbinders card kit of the month for December 2022 called Love Grows Here. First let's take a look and see what we get in the card kit, starting with the paper. It looks like we get 10 pieces of cardstock, starting with our specialty cardstock, which is the Mirror Gold. We get a light blue, it's actually 2 pieces. A dark blue, a light blue, a bright yellow, and a bright green, a light pink, a chocolate brown, a darker pink, and a white. We also get, of course, 10 envelopes and card bases. We get our tape, our double-sided adhesive, and our foam roll. We get these really pretty kind of iridescent peach sequins, which are lovely. We get a couple of dies. There are 13 dies in here, and it looks like they built a bird. This lovely little bird, a set of birds. I guess they are love birds for our Valentine theme, which is sweet for Valentine's Day. We also get a 6x6 paper pad called Love Grows Here. She's got some pretty pattern papers in it that coordinate nicely with our die set. Pretty hearts, pretty birds, pretty colors, pretty everything. And there's all of those patterns. If you didn't see the last one, also a bunch of hearts. We also get a stamp set that has the little birds on them again, which are kind of cute. They're pretty, and some beautiful sentiments for our cards. We get some chipboard frames. A lot of hearts and stuff in there. We get some die cut shapes, which are, I'm not going to get out. I always make a mess with them and then I can't find them. We also get some puppy stickers and some chipboard embellishments. So there you have it. I really like the color palette of this kit, so I am looking forward to seeing what cards we can create using it. So here we go. Alright, here are the 6 cards we were able to create using this kit this month. Starting off, I wanted to use that cute little die set, so I created 2 of the little lovebirds. I brought in some sage green paper that I have in my stash just to make the male bird. And a thank you sentiment, or die set that I have. And then of course I used the stamp set and a couple of the pattern papers. The rest of this is cardstock that we got in the kit. And there you have card number 1. I thought the little birds were really cute. I also took some Nuvo crystals. This is a Nuvo, the crystal drops in ebony black to make their little eyeballs. So they've got a little bit of dimension. And then I brought in some yellow pearls that I have in my stash. And again, this is a Love from Lizzie peel-offs to kind of marry the 2 pattern papers together, just to put that on that seam. And there you have card number 1. Kind of a nice little thank you note, I thought. I really like birds in general. So diving into some of the ephemera that we got and some of the puppy stickers. I really liked the pattern papers in this kit as well as the color palette. I like this navy color that they included, and I brought in some of this indigo from my stash. This is from Spellbinders. I just thought it kind of tied pretty with the color palette, as well as the puppy stickers. So I just popped this little piece of ephemera up on some foam tape. This is some of the white that we got in the card kit, and I brought in some blue. And there you have card number 2. So just very easy cards this month. Really had pretty pattern papers, really had pretty ephemera pieces, just really pretty things that all went together. For card number 3, I brought in some of the chipboard frames that we got. This is an ephemera piece. I popped that up on some foam, so it's got dimension, and this is one of those foam hearts that we got. Both of these are pattern papers from the kits, and again, these are Love from Lizzie peel-offs. I believe these are the glitter black peel-offs, but if you look at them, they kind of look navy to me, so I always use them for navy, and I really like navy as my neutral. So there you have card number 3. For card number 4, I really like this little snail ephemera piece and really wanted to use it. I thought it was so cute. I noticed one of the chipboard stickers looks like it has like a frame that kind of matches one of the sentiments, and so I brought that in and just kind of mounted that on that chipboard sticker. And then I mounted the snail on some fun foam so she's got some dimension. I also used the embossing folder of the month. It is called, let's see what this thing is called, Heart Blooms. You can see it's got a really pretty heart pattern back there. I just embossed it on some of the white cardstock we got in the kit. This is a stamp set. I'm sorry, this is a sentiment that we got on the stamp set. It says, "Life is a beautiful thing with you in it." And I just thought that one was kind of cute. And another easy card to make. Closing out here, card number 5 is more of the ephemera pieces with the pattern paper. I really like this pretty navy bird pattern paper, and I also like the pinks. I think those colors go really well together. Brought in some more of the puffy stickers and just mounted this up on some fun foam, and there you have another very simple card. It's card number 5. And then for card number 6, I wasn't done playing with the cute little birds. I really enjoyed them as our part of our kit this month, and so I took the same color palette as before. This is the sage green that I brought in from my stash, and some more of this indigo cardstock, which is also from my stash. And these pearls are also from my stash, but everything else is from the kit. I used a puffy sticker as well as this chipboard sticker that says love, and just created a little scene for the little birds to sit on, very similar to the first card. And there you have card number 6. So there are the 6 cards we were able to create using this kit from Spellbinders. I hope that you guys enjoy the cards that I created and they give you some inspiration. This is the Love Grows Here December 2020 kit from Spellbinders, and just looking forward to delving into the January kit at some time. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you all for dropping by and taking a look. Talk at you guys soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.